Hey, to change wallpaper on the Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro, we've got actually two methods. The first one, you can do this straight in your watch by simply going into the settings. Now from this, you will have to actually go into the edit band display, and from this you can actually find all of the bands that you have on your watch and simply select to switch, like this. But you can also get the other watch faces by going into the phone. So you will have to open the Mi Fitness application. Now go into the device, select manage band displays, and now from this, if you want to get any different watch face, like for example this one, just click on it, tap to apply, and after downloading process, you can actually find this new wallpaper on your Xiaomi Smart Band 8 Pro. And that's how it looks right now. Please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next one.